Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Bakit half for Andre?
Nice naman si Andre sa akin. Feeling ko lang kasi yung feelings niya kay Lou hindi pa ganun ka-sure talaga. Yes.
Hindi pa sure. Anong ibig mo sabihin pag hindi pa sure?
Parang hindi ko alam kung ginagamit niya lang si Lou for strategy niya na magstay sa bahay. Ganun.
Ay, may ganyan. Paano mo nasabi? Meron bang parang kapansin-pansin na ugali o ginawa itong si Andre para maging parang parang
Pero
charot-charot?
may time kasi na una, hindi niya naman talaga, like niya si Lou, pero hindi siya talaga yung gustong-gusto. Tapos biglang, basta iba-iba yung girl na nagugustuhan niya kasi talaga.
Okay. Sige, ikaw naman, Joaquim.
I always say Andre is my best friend talaga. Tapos I trust him. Tapos for me, trust isn't knowing that that person will not betray you. It's saying that it's okay even if you do. So yun, Andre told me verbatim, I would never do anything to nominate you or give you points. And that's exactly what he did. And yun nga, with Lou especially, because I love Lou so much. The thing with Andre is, sabi niya, he likes Abby, tas dinenay niya. He likes Chantel, tapos sabi niya, he's not that sure with Lou. He said, I don't feel the connection with Lou. Tapos yun nga. So I was like, when nag-open forum kami, sabi ko, Andre, don't you dare hurt Lou. And I feel like Andre doesn't really tell the truth a lot of the time.
Sige. Team Online, alam ko nababaliw kayo, kaya i-replay ko to ng
He said,
live.
I like Chantel. He said, I have feelings for Abby. And
Ulitin mo lahat yan. Paki-focus po kay Joaquim. Kausapin mo yung Team Online natin, Joaquim, dahil malaking pasabog ito dito sa Bring 8 On. Joaquim, this is your chance. Kausapin mo ang Team Online.
Hindi ko sinasabi na nagsisinungaling si Andre. Siguro galing sa buti ng puso niya, ayaw niya mag-say something like, for example, Andre, gusto mo ba to? Instead na magsabi siya na, wag, sabi niya, maybe later, mga ganon.
Okay lang yun.
So, okay lang yun. Pero sa mga seryosong bagay na people's feelings are involved, I don't think you should do that. You should be straight up. So when it's like, do you like Abby? She's like, yes, I have feelings for Abby. Do you like Chantel? Yes, I like Chantel. I mean, nakilig ako kay Chantel. Do you like Lou? Yes, but I don't feel the connection, mga ganyan. Pero nung opportune time na, nung may golden opportunity na mag-date sila, yun parang sabi niya, oh, I really, really like you without a doubt. But minutes before he said, I don't feel the connection. So what's really happening, dude?
Gaano katagal yung span of time nung sinabi niya sa'yo, you don't feel the connection at yung date?
10 minutes.
Ha?
Kasi nga, during the date, he went out and sabi niya, guys, baka hindi ko to ipapatuloy kasi I don't feel the connection. He said that in front of everyone who worked hard for that date. And then he went in the confession room, and when he went out, he was like, okay, minsan na nga buhay, gawin natin to. Di ba, men?
May ganon. Ano pa? Sige, gusto namin yung chismis na ganyan.
Ito kasi yun.
Kayo lang ang nasa loob ng bahay, wala kaming access.
Promise,
Kayo lang nakakaalam.
iba talaga
Alam.
sa TV, sa pinapanood, iba sa loob. Kasi
Sige.
for me, di ba Mitch, sabi ko talaga, best friend kita, pero mas best friend ko talaga si Andre from the start. And kailangan ko ng tao makatulong sa akin kasi iba ako, I'm not a normal person per se. So, Andre was that person, he told me, oh, you're okay, but then I'm nominated. I'm like, Andre, I don't want to be nominated, what should I do? No, you're okay, and then I'm nominated every time. And yun pala, he gave me the votes. And I was like, okay, but then he said, no, I didn't betray you. Yes, you did. That's what I told him. So yun nga, just be upfront and just do it because you can't get away with having good looks lang.
That's right. Nakakainis nga naman yung ba't kailangan ko pa pagtakpan yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Sabihin mo sa akin kung ayaw mo sa akin o kung may mali sa akin. Hindi
Basta,
sabihin mo
ito
sa
lang
akin.
masasabi ko, kapag i-hurt ni Andre si Lou, maganda siya sa akin. Kahit best friend ko siya.
Anong gagawin mo kay Andre? Pag nasaktan niya si Lou.
Siyempre, bawal sabihin.
Bawal nga naman si Ray. O sige. Okay na yon. Itong si Andre. Naku, kukuritin kita sa inong.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.